What's up, you guys? It's Pisa KV and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these crochet goddess faux locks, and this hair was sent to me by AS Beauty, and this is everything that they sent me inside of their packaging. So let's jump right into it. So I started off my hair with 2 rows of individual box braids. I braided my real hair, and then I'm going to show you guys how I crocheted in to my real hair. So I hope that was easier to see than me trying to explain it. And this is where the tricky part comes in. So I took the crochet hook inside the center of the faux lock. I got it as high as I could to the faux lock, and then I crocheted my hair into the faux lock. So I'm placing my hair inside of the hook and I pull it back through. And that hides my real braid into the crochet braid. So of course it's not perfectly done, but that is how I got all of them achieved. So this is my braiding pattern. I told you guys I did the first 2 rows as individual crochets, and I did I don't even know what you would call this, but I braided my hair straight back in cornrows, and then I crocheted the faux locks into my straight back cornrows. So the concept of crocheting is really simple. So you guys are going to see me really fast forward through this. So I'm going to show you guys how I did my very first row. And I did my first row on my right and left side super duper tight, just in case the wind blows or I'm flipping my hair. I want to make sure that you can't see my braid at all.
Just a disclaimer, my hair is really short. It's probably about maybe 4 inches or so. So I noticed when I was crocheting the hair in and I knotted it and I pulled it a little tight to make sure, you know, it was super secure, they popped. My hair would just unravel. So that's why it looks a little weird. My braids, I had to go back in and add in some braiding hair. So that's where the blonde comes from.
I was doing my crochets way too close and the hair was getting huge, and I just didn't want it to be super duper full because this hair can get very big. So I started to space out my crochets by like at least 2 fingers, I think. And I mean, they still turned out super full. So I would just be mindful of that when you're crocheting in your hair. So here is the final look. Crochet is super repetitive, so I didn't want to bore you guys to death. But as you can see, it's super duper full. I love the highlighted tips. I think it's so cute. And I'm showing you guys how I did the individual box braids in the front, apart from the crochets going straight back. And I guess I'm just gonna break down exactly what that looks like.